If your 4th-gen RAM key fob isn't working, start with the basics. First, check the battery. These fobs use a CR2032 battery that typically lasts around 5 years. If replacing the battery doesn't fix it, the problem might be signal interference, especially in urban areas with 5G towers, or a software glitch in the RF hub. Consider performing a WinRF hub relearn procedure to resync the fob with your vehicle. This involves cycling the ignition and pressing the fob buttons in sequence. Stellantis has released over-the-air software patches, versions 1.5.2 and later, for select 2023-2025 RAM models that address RF hub synchronization bugs causing intermittent fob failures. If a battery replacement doesn't solve the problem, perform a WinRF hub relearn. This process resynchronizes the fob with your vehicle. The exact steps can vary, so consult your owner's manual or a trusted online guide for your specific RAM model. If problems persist, inspect the antenna. Physical damage or wiring issues can degrade its performance. Tests involve checking continuity with a multimeter or using a scan tool to verify signal strength. Poor antenna performance often mimics battery problems, so isolation is key. Always use genuine batteries to avoid corrosion.